Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make an easy and flavorful one-pot dish. Red rice with hickory smoked sausage. Let's go. In a medium to large pot on medium heat, brown 12 ounces of salt pork. Now salt pork looks like bacon, but it's fattier and has been cured in salt rather than smoked. You may notice that when your salt pork is browning, it wants to stick to the bottom of the pot. Just simply scrape it off the bottom. But make sure to use a pot that can handle the scraping. After your salt pork has browned, take it out of the pot. Do not drain the grease, as this will add lots of flavor to the dish. Add in 1 pound of hickory smoked sausage and allow it to brown on medium heat for a few minutes. Once your sausage has browned, add in your bell pepper, onion, and celery. Stir thoroughly, cover, and allow your veggies to become tender. Continue to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and burning. After your veggies have become tender, add your salt pork back into the pot. Give everything a good stir. Add 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste and 5 cups of water to the pot. Stir so that everything incorporates. Pop on the lid and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add 1.5 teaspoons of nature seasons and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can easily replace these ingredients with salt and pepper to taste. Stir the seasonings into the boiling water and add 2 cups of rice. I use parboiled rice because it tends to be less sticky than regular white rice, and it's also a little healthier too. Give your rice a good stir and pop on the lid. Turn the temperature down to low and allow your rice to cook. Stir frequently so that your rice doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. The rice will need to cook for about 25 minutes or until most of the liquid is gone. Alright y'all, that's it. That's how you make red rice with hickory smoked sausage. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.